did something really, really stupid. I lost a gift from a friend that I should not have lost. I had something that only 3 people in the world had. This is an Apple Watch. If you remember our friend Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, you guys probably saw the video. He did it with Casey Neistat. He took one of these watches and he made it custom, actual 24 karat gold. He made 2 prototypes to make sure that this thing would actually work. He gave one to his wife, Cambry, and he gave it to me. I came out here to the lake 4 months ago for 4th of July, and I might have lost it and dropped it to the bottom of the lake. I wasn't planning on jumping off any cliffs, and then London, she's 9 years old, she's like, Daddy, I want to do it, and then Claire wanted to do it, and so I'm like, yeah, I'll go with them, and I kept jumping off, and they wanted to go higher and higher, and I just totally forgot about my watch. I'm sure a lot of people have done this, and then after maybe the 7th jump, I felt something on my wrist. So today's video is going to be an attempt to find that Apple Watch. I did everything that I could to increase the possibility of finding it. In the middle of the winter, when it's freezing cold in the water, we have a boat captain, we have scuba gear, 2 divers, we've got all the GoPros, I even bought underwater metal detectors. If we succeed today, I'm calling it right now, this is going to be the greatest video that I have ever made. I feel pretty confident, I would say like 70% confident we're going to find this watch today.
I don't think we are. I think it's gone forever.
So this is our crew that I've hired to come out on this rescue mission today, and the leader of the crew is Ty. Do you know how to scuba dive, really?
Yeah.
Like you really do? How confident are you that we're gonna find this watch?
100% confident. We're definitely finding it.
100%, yes.
That's the spirit!
The first step is we need to go about an hour away on a lake that nobody is on. It should be glass, it should be really pretty, and find the exact spot where we are cliff jumping. In some places in this lake, it's 300 or 400 feet deep, but the place that we were at, it's a place called The Donut. I'll pop it up here, like a picture of it and like a location. We call it the toilet bowl, because it's kind of like toilet bowl, but the more proper name on Google is The Donut. It's not incredibly deep, and this time of the year, whew, that's sunny. It's not that deep right there. It's probably anywhere from like 8 feet deep to 20 feet deep. And so I feel like it's manageable. And there's so many people that just go there just to jump off the cliffs that even if we don't find my watch, which I think we're going to find, I think we're going to find some interesting things. Got him. Those drone shots are brought to you by Jerry Rig Everything over here. Well done, Zach. We've been riding on the boat for about an hour. This is a really unique spot where at certain times of the year when we were there, the water just crested above the lowest point, and so the water from this lake was going inside of it. That's why they call it the donut, because this time of year, the water's low enough that all the water is contained inside of it, kind of like a swimming pool with a cliff all around it.
The closer we get, the less I want to do it.
Ty, you got this. You're gonna find it, buddy. Ty's getting a little nervous.
Wetsuit!
Steve, it's November. Why are you so tan?
I was in Roatan 2 weeks ago.
Roatan.
Roatan.
Okay, got it. Is that a joke, or were you really in Roatan?
No, I was really in Roatan 2 weeks ago,
Okay.
scuba diving.
Zach, I'm sorry I lost your watch.
It's your watch. And there's like a 5% chance of finding it.
Aren't Apple Watches
Oh,
waterproof?
yeah.
They're water resistant.
Oh,
and
yeah.
not for 5 months.
No.
So even if we find it, can you salvage anything? Can you jerry rig anything with this watch to do
If
something
water
with
has
it?
gotten inside, the only thing that's still going to be useful is the outer casing, which is the valuable part anyway. So
I don't want to do this.
What? You don't want to do this?
I want to do this. I mean,
This is the place right here. You remember when we were here this summer, Lincoln?
Oh, totally.
You weren't wearing a coat.
Huh?
You weren't wearing a coat.
Nope. Right there. Good.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't even grip it.
Here.
Oh. I can't grip the floor.
You get Lincoln.
Here.
Mark. It's a little light up.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Hold on, Ty. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
It's slippery, bro.
So the best I can do to show you what it was like this summer, because we weren't really vlogging here, we filmed a couple of videos, but we pulled up here, there were some dogs sitting right here. We have some cell phone video that people were just filming stuff, and you could see exactly where we were. I was right up here with Claire in London, and they wanted to jump off that cliff. I hope it's not too deep, because this is crazy.
Dude, this would be a pit right here.
This actually looks a lot deeper than I thought.
Why do I want to jump off so bad? Why? It's not.
I know you want to, right? You'd be wrecked for the day. Lincoln was jumping off way up here. I was jumping off right here. Now that I'm here and I see how deep it actually looks, I think I said I was 75%. I'm gonna go down to like 45%.
I'm gonna take mine to a 5 to a 4. 4%.
Wait, where's the weights at?
What weights?
They're in the dive bag. Or they're in the truck.
I don't know where those weights are. Did you bring some stuff? No. How are we gonna sink?
You're always gonna have obstacles in this, and the first obstacle, which is a pretty big one, we might have left our weights on the houseboat, like the place that we slept when we started this video, which is like an hour away. I don't know how we're gonna sink.
Oh my gosh.
14 pounds, that's all we need per person, 10 pounds maybe. You lift weights all the time, you should know.
Maybe it's 15, I don't know.
Improvising, we are finding rocks, 10, 15 pound rocks. Oh yeah, they are light. I mean, this is the problem. Look at this. The rock is just basically mud. And maybe when they go in the water, it'll start to break apart. So here's what's going on. We have this black shoveling scoop. You get the sand in there, and then the sand falls out, and like all the gold and the watches stay inside of it.
Hey guys, there's a surprise. Zach's got his razor blade.
Yep. You got Zach cutting up Steve's towels. What are you rigging up?
We just need one strap to go around his waist and then one strap to hold the rock into the black container.
Okay, that was smart to take off the seam of the towel.
Yeah, it's the strongest part.
Strongest part of a towel? You've done this with survival skills?
Look at that double razor knives. Oh yeah, going to town.
Look at these guys with their knives out here. That's a good device. All right, there we are. That's why we brought this guy along.
Done.
He did his job. You say, why don't people scuba dive in here?
You can only probably see about 2 feet in front of you.
Apple Watch recovery and whatever else we find. Be safe, guys. I would be surprised if it fell against the wall. I would think it would be out maybe 4 or 5 feet possibly. There he goes. He's attempting to submerge. Oh, he's going down. He's trying. Oh, he's going. He's going. Is that the bottom? Is he already at the bottom? Oh, this looks amazing. He's going. Oh, they're going down. Look at that. No, now he's going to the side. Oh, there's Ty above you. I think he's... It's on, boys.
Yes.
Ty can't get down. Steve's down there,
So
though.
cold. We already found 2 things.
This is happening. Oh, Steve went out that way. Is he coming back up? He's way out there.
Here's some glasses.
Shut up!
You started way over here and you went way over that way. Maybe right down there.
It is so cold.
Really?
My ears.
Oh, guys.
Going down again. You got this, Steve. I know you can't hear me, but good vibes. Let's send him positive vibes. Yeah, look at him. There he goes. He's right at the spot.
That's it.
Right in that area.
Oh, my head is freezing. I can't. Oh, crap. Holy crap, my head.
I stirred up so much stuff I couldn't see a thing. Oh gosh.
Well, guys, I was feeling pretty confident, but it is tricky because most likely the watch went down on the sand or the silt, and then over time more has come in, and it's probably covered up by a couple of inches.
It was so cold messing with your equilibrium.
Well, good job,
Just
Steve.
the pressure.
Yeah, good.
I mean, just the coldness in your ears. After I stirred it all up, I was like, I can't even see the rope, I can't see the wall. And I was like, okay, this is a mess. And every once in a while it'd vibrate and put my hand down and try to feel.
You can see by this area why we actually came out here, because we can see the bottom. Out of the rest of the lake, it's impossible. But it's really surprising that we don't see more stuff under there. It must just be because there's so much of that silt that just kind of comes in from the lake. Who knows how deep it could potentially be just from 5 months. That's about as good of an effort as we can do here. I think this needs to be continued in the spring. We come back out here when it's a little warmer. Your body is just cold, huh?
My ears
Want me to unzip you?
felt so cold in my ears.
Towel? Zach, to be continued.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Quite the effort from all my friends. I'm so pumped that they all came out here. Steve and Ty drove all the way up here, 6.5 hours from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Zach drove 6 hours from Salt Lake City. No success, but let's go have some fun.
Hey, you ready?
The guy who has been under the water
not
for an
gonna be in the
hour
water
today,
very long.
he is now going to surf. He's so crazy. Seen a few people go. Lincoln is convinced that he's going to do it. He just loves it here. But he doesn't do well in the cold. Check this out, Lincoln. Go. Keep going, keep going.
Why is it so cold?
All right, go ahead. You can go back in and go get in the pool. This is gonna be screaming like a girl when he jumps in.
I'm gonna be like, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? But it's gonna be good.
No.
Why?
Okay, get in.
He's up.
Zach zipped up his fly.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna make a groove in it.
Thank you.
That's what I said. Can we stop filming this?
It's okay, this video's not for kids, right? Just kidding. So these are the find that Steve had. Spy Piper glasses, polarized even. How much do you think these are worth?
$100.
$100 maybe. Who's the guy that does it? Daily Mall MD or Daily MD? He's the one that scuba dives all the time and finds stuff. He finds everything. So, hi Jonathan.